Good morning. Welcome to all of you. Our new topic of agricultural marketing, trade and prices. That is topic number 18, marketing efficiency. We are going to see that meaning of marketing efficiency and definition of marketing efficiency. Marketing efficiency is essentially the degree of market performance. It is a broad and dynamic concept. And definition of marketing efficiency: it is the ratio of market output to marketing input, that is satisfaction to cost of resources. An increase in ratio represents improved efficiency and vice versa. Means that when ratio of marketing efficiency increases, its efficiency is improve, and when ratio is decreases, efficiency also decreases. Then next point is components of marketing efficiency. Effectiveness with which a marketing service is performed. Second component, the cost at which the service is provided. And third component is the effect of this cost and the method of performing the service as production and consumption. That is the effect of first and second. Last two are more important, that is cost at which services are provided and effect of this cost and method of performing the services on or as production and consumption. Then our next point is assessment of marketing efficiency. This is also called as types of marketing efficiency, in which first type, technical or physical or operational efficiency, and second is pricing or allocative efficiency, in which we are going to see that technical or physical or operational efficiency, it pertains to the cost of performing a function. Efficiency is increased when the cost of performing a function per unit of output is reduced. Example of technical efficiency is storage, processing, handling, etc. And a second type is pricing or allocative efficiency. System is able to allocate farm products either over time across the space or among the traders, processors and consumers at a point of time in such a way that no other allocation would make producers and consumer better off. This is achieved via pricing the product at different stages, places, times along different users. And pricing efficiency also refers to the structural characteristics of the marketing system when the sellers are able to get the true value of their produce and the consumers receive true worth of their money. The above two types are mutually reinforcing in the long run market. Then next point is empirical assessment of marketing efficiency. How marketing efficiency is assessed? A reduction in the cost for the same level of satisfaction or an increase in the satisfaction at a given cost results in the improvement in efficiency. This statement is stated by Coles and Wool in formula, that is E is equal to O divided by I into 100. E is level of efficiency, O is value added to the marketing system, I is real cost of marketing into 100. Then modified Shiffer's formula of marketing efficiency, or how marketing efficiency calculated by modified Shiffer's formula, that is marketing efficiency is equal to phi divided by I minus 1 into 100, that is index of marketing efficiency is equal to value of the goods sold or price paid by the consumer, that is retail price, divided by total marketing cost or input of marketing into 100. This method eliminates the problem of measurement of value added. Thank you.